Welcome to my channel. Today's menu, perhda biryani. That means biryani covered with two-sided roti. Mashallah, each rice is separated with each other. Let's start. 1 big onion slice fried till brown. Chicken. Biryani masala, kurma masala, coriander powder, red pepper, red chili, Maggi cubes, salt. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Cook until chicken is tender. Mince leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies. Add color. Fry onions. Mashallah. For dum biryani, place a roti dough and put rice on it, cover it and cooked both sides for 4 minutes. That looks so cool. Bismillah. It's ready to serve. This was my first time making perhda biryani. Hope for nice comments. I did hope for good appreciation. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Support me too.